Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and thanks for checking in. Today's video will guide you through on how to auto-fit in Excel. To begin, you open up the Excel worksheet you want to work on. Now, the first method is to use the mouse. To auto-fit the column size of one column, you move your mouse over to the line border of the column. Then, double click and drag along to expand it. As you can see, now whatever text you input would auto fit. To apply these auto fit features to multiple columns or rows, you select all the columns and rows you want to auto fit. Then you move your mouse to one of the borders line inside the selection. Then you double click and drag along. You can see that this applies to all selected cells. And when you reduce it, it also applies to the selected cells. So guys, that's all for the video. That is how to auto fit in Excel. I hope this video helps you out. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more details. Bye guys, see you in the next video.